Hello everyone, good morning students. In previous class we discussed about we discussed about the chapter construction, and in that class we discussed about the construction of the bisector of an angle, and also we discussed about the bisector of a line segment, and we also discuss about the construction of some standard angles with the help of ruler and compasses only. In that type of angles we construct an angle 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 30 degree with the help of ruler and compasses only. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the construction of triangles. Today we discuss about the construction of triangles. Okay, this is one of the most important topic of that exercise, that chapter. Okay, now in going to discuss about the construction of triangle, first of all we discuss about the construction of an equilateral triangle. Construction of an equilateral triangle. Let's see first we discuss about the construction of an equilateral triangle. Okay, in order to discuss about the construction of an equilateral triangle, first of all, dear student, in order to construct an equilateral triangle, when the measure length of its side is given. So in that type of question, dear students, first of all we draw a ray OA. Suppose that first of all we draw a ray OX. Suppose that in going to construct an equilateral triangle, first of all we draw a ray OX. Now after that, taking OS center and distance and radius equal to sides of each side of the equilateral triangle. Radius equal to length of the side of an equilateral triangle. Suppose we draw an arc. Suppose that arc cutting the ray OX cuts the row at B, and suppose that point is D. Suppose that. Okay, suppose in going to construct an equilateral triangle, first of all we draw a ray OX. After that, taking OS center and radius equal to what? The length of the side of the triangle which we draw, and we construct an arc AB which cuts the ray OX at point A. Now taking A as center, after that taking first of all with the center A, let's see. Now dear students, taking OS center and radius equal to what? Now let's see. Suppose taking OS center, AS center and radius equal to length of its side, cut an arc in this way which intersect the previous arc at some any other point. Let's see. Now dear student, we join OC and OA. This is our required equilateral triangle. So dear student, this is very easy concept to draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, now the one of the most important topic of that chapter is your construction of a triangle with its base, sum of other two sides and the base angle are given. So this is one of the most important topic of your chapter. So we discuss about that type of construction, and the construction of an equilateral triangle is very easy. You can easily construct an equilateral triangle when the side of each of its side is given. Now dear student, we discuss about the next topic of that chapter. Let's see. Dear student, today we discuss about the topic construction of a triangle. Construction of a triangle. Construction of a triangle with its base, comma, sum of the other two sides, sum of the other two sides, sum of the other two sides, and one base angle, one base angle are given. Okay, so dear student, this is one of the most important topic of your chapter construction. This is the construction of a triangle with its base, the sum of the other two sides, and one base angle are given. Now dear student, first we discuss about what is the procedure to construct that type of triangle. In order to construct that type of triangle, we follow some basic steps. Let's see. First of all, dear students, suppose that the length of its base is given. So first of all, we draw a base. In first step, dear student, in step first, we draw the base. We draw base AB. Suppose that we draw the base AB. After that, suppose the base angle is BA, suppose the X. After that, we construct the base angle. We construct what? Draw BAX, okay, of the measure equal to that of angle A. Now that is base angle is given, so we draw an angle, suppose that AX. We draw an AX with at the point A, and we construct the base angle as in step 2. First of all, we draw the base of the given triangle, In second step, we draw an angle BAX, that is angle A, which is given in our question. Now, because of here your topic is triangle with its base, sum of the two sides, and one base angle are given. So in that type of question, dear student, the length of its base is given, okay, and one of its base angle, either A or B, is also given. So here let us take, first of all, in first step we draw the base of the given triangle. So first of all, we draw a base AB, which length of the length of that base AB is given in your question. After that, dear students, we draw an angle BAX. Make that is angle A, which is also given in your question, because of one base angle are given, and one base angle is given always in that type of construction. Okay, now after that, in step third, dear student, in step third, now from array AX, cut the line segment AD. Suppose that we take here the sum of the other two sides is given, na. So we take the distance of the sum of the other two sides and take a center and cut an arc in this way. And suppose they cut an arc from AX, cut an arc ABC, and the length of AC is equal to the sum of the other two sides. Now after that, from the ray AX means cut off the line segment AC, which is equal to the what? Which is equal to the sum of the other two sides, which is also given in our question. Now after that, in step fourth, we join BC. We join BC. Okay. Now, after that, we draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. We draw the perpendicular bisector of BC meeting AC at some point. Let's see. Now, you know that what is the procedure of the we construct the angle, the bisector of the line, draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. So in this way we cut an arc, we take B as center and distance more than half of BC. We cut two arcs and that in that way. So in this way, each of its side, each other in both the sides. Okay. Now taking C as center and radius equal to same, we cut another arc in this way. In this way. Now we join and produce to some. So it intersect AC at some point D. At some point D. Now you join BD. So this is the required triangle. This is the required triangle ADB or triangle ABD. This is our result. Now let's. This is very important topic. So once more time we discuss that. Now, dear student, in order to construct a triangle when its base, one base angle and the sum of other two sides is given, sum of its other two sides is given, in that type of triangle, first of all, in first step, first of all we draw what? We draw a length of its base, that is AB. Okay. Now after that we construct an angle BAX. Draw a AX and construct an angle BAX as your base angle, which is given in our question. Okay. We construct BAX as a base angle. Now from the AX and take AS center and distance equal to sum of the other two sides, which is given in our which is also given in our question. Taking AS center and distance equal to the sum of the other two sides, we cut an arc. We cut an arc. We draw an arc. We cut which is cut the AX at point C. At point C. Now we join. In next step we join BC. If we join BC, dear student, after that we draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. In going to construct the perpendicular bisector of BC, you know that very well. In first day of that chapter we discuss about the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So here the line segment BC and we draw the perpendicular bisector of that line segment. In going to construct the perpendicular bisector of any line segment, first you take B as center and distance equal to what? Distance equal to more than half of BC. Distance equal to more than half of BC. We draw arcs on each side of the line segment BC. So now in this way. Now with at the same distance, taking B as center, cuts another two arcs on either each of its side. Each of its side means BC, that is BC, and we cut intersect the previous arc at two distinct points. Now we join that 2 points. Suppose that LM be 2 point. So we join LM and produce to sum. If we produce that, then LM intersect AC at any point D. Now after that, and finally we join BD. So in this way the triangle ABD, is our required triangle. So this is the whole concept to construct a triangle when its base, one base angle and sum of the other two sides is given. Okay, dear students, this is one of the most important topic of your chapter. Now we take an important question based on same topic and construct them. Let's see. Dear student, we take some important question of your NCERT exercise and construct. Now, construct a triangle ABC. Your question is construct a triangle ABC. Okay, construct a triangle ABC in which the base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Okay, angle B is equal to means BS angle is 45 degree, and sum of the other two sides, this and AB plus BC, AB plus AC, AB plus AC is equal to 6.8 centimeter. Okay, this is very important question of your chapter. Dear students, in order to construct a triangle ABC in which BC means its base, which is equal to 3.8 centimeter, which is given, one base angle as angle B is given, that is 45 degree. Okay, and the sum of its two sides means AB plus AC is also equal to 6.8 centimeter. 6.8 centimeter is also given. Now, let's see its solution. Dear student, in order to construct a triangle ABC, first of all, we draw the base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. Let's see. Step first. First, we take step first. In first step, we draw the base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter of the triangle ABC. This is our first step. So, dear student, we draw BC. Suppose that BC is equal to what? 3.8 centimeter. Dear students, in going to draw that type of triangle, in first step, first of all, we draw the base BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter with the help of scale or pencil. Okay, you can easily draw the base BC of the triangle ABC as 3.8 centimeter according to question. After that, we construct an angle of 45 degrees. 45 degree. Now, dear student, we take an angle CBX. Any ray, we draw any ray. We draw any ray X. We draw any ray X, and to construct in second step in second step we construct angle CBX, that is angle B is equal to 45 degree in second step. So that is equal to 45 degree, and you know that very well. What is the process to construct an angle of 45 degree with the help of ruler and compasses? Because of in previous class we also discussed the construction of some standard angle as 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree with the help of ruler and compasses only. Okay, now here you can, this topic is clear, so which we discussed in previous class. You know that very well. What is the process to construct an angle of 45 degree with the help of ruler and compasses? So dear student, let's see. In first step, first of all, we draw the base of the triangle as 3.8 centimeter. Okay. After that we construct an angle CBX. We draw a ray BX in that way, and in that way we construct an angle CBX, that is angle B is equal to what? 45 degree. Is equal to what? 45 degree. Okay. Now look, Now what we do? Dear students, in step third, now let's see. Look, taking from the ray OX, BX, taking B as center and distance equal to sum of other two sides, that is 6.8 centimeter. Okay, from ray OX, cut a line segment. Let's see. From the ray BX, cut a line segment BD, which is equal to the sum of other two sides, that is sum of other two sides, that is AB plus AC equal to 6.8 centimeter. Okay, so dear students, in next step, in third step, from the ray BX, cuts a line segment BD, taking B as center and distance equal to the sum of the other two sides, that is 6.8 centimeter, cuts an arc. Let's see. In third is taking B as center and distance equal to what? 6.8 centimeter. 6.8, cuts an arc as D. Suppose that from the ray BX cuts a line segment BD, which is equal to the sum of the other two sides, that is 6.8 centimeter. So that distance is 6.8 centimeter. Okay. Now in next step, means step 4. Now in step 4, join CD. Let's see in this way. Okay, in next step, join CD. Now look, now what we do? First step, we draw an angle, the base angle, that is BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter. After that, in second step, we draw the base angle as 45 degrees, so the angle CBX as equal to 45 degree centimeter. Okay. Now after that, taking B as center and distance equal to the sum of the other two sides, that is 6.8 centimeter, cuts an arc at the ray BX, which intersect the ray BX at point D. Okay. Now in fourth step, we join CD. We join what? The length CD. Now what we do? In next step, dear student, in next step, let's see what we do. Step 5. We construct the perpendicular bisector of CD. We construct the perpendicular bisector of CD. Let's see. In going to construction perpendicular bisector of CD, first of all we take C as center and distance more than half of CD, cuts arcs, pair of arcs, which each side of the ray line segment CD, so that is this and this, so with the same radius, and now taking D as center, cuts the arc. Let intersect the previous arc at two distinct points, let L and M respectively. Let L and L respectively. Now we join these points and produce to some distance. Now let's see. We join these 2 points LM and produce to some distance, then that intersect the BD at point A. Now in step 6 in step 6 we join LM and it produce join LM and produced, then it intersect BD at point A, intersect BD at point A. Now and last step, step 7, we join AC. We join at last we join AC. We join what? AC. Now that is the triangle ABC is formed. So dear student, this is the whole process to construct a triangle ABC when its length of its base, one base angle and the sum of the other two sides is given. In this way, this is the whole process to construct that type of triangle. Let's see once more time. Let's see, dear student. This is the one of the most important of your chapter. Okay, let's see. In order to construct the triangle ABC, first of all, dear student, in first step we draw the base BC as 3.8 centimeter. After that, dear students, now in second step we construct the base angle which is given in your question. So here the base angle is what? 45 degrees. So we construct an angle CBX as 45 degrees. This is the second step. Now after that, taking B as center and distance equal to the sum of the distance between two sides, the sum of the distance of two sides as 6.8 centimeter. So taking B as center and distance equal to 6.8 centimeter, cut an arc A on an arc which that arc cuts the ray BX at point D. Okay. Now after that, in next step we join CD. Now after that, we construct the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. Now after that, we construct the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. You know that very well. In order to construct the perpendicular bisector of any line segment, first of all we take C as center and distance more than half of CD. We cut the arc at the same distance. Taking B as center, we cut the previous arc at two distinct points as L and M respectively. Now we join the line LM and produce to some distance. So if we produced LM, so it intersects the line segment BD at point A. Now after that we join AC. So here ABC is our required triangle. So dear student, in this way we completed that topic. Now after that, in next class we discuss about the next topic, which is your next topic is construction of a triangle when its base, difference of the other two sides and the one base angle are given. First of all, dear student, you can construct each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now in next class we discuss about the construction of a triangle when its base, the difference between two sides and one base angle is given. Okay, thank you.